everyone. So, Marty Life is Short is exactly the kind of celebratory documentary people usually accuse streaming platforms of making too often. Nostalgic, affectionate, and filled with famous friends praising the subject for 2 hours straight. And honestly, it still works. What separates this documentary from the endless assembled line of beloved celebrity gets tribute film project is the simple fact that Martin Short genuinely inspires a level of affection from almost everyone around him. The warmth doesn't feel manufactured, it feels earned. The documentary traces Short's career from his early sketch comedy days on Second City television to his breakout work on Saturday Night Live and eventually into the larger Hollywood career that made characters like Ed Grimley and Jiminy click comedy icons. For a younger audience, though, the documentary also quietly acknowledges something interesting. A lot of viewers now mainly know Martin Short as Oliver Putnam from Only Murders in the Building. That generational gap actually gives the film extra emotional weight because it's partly trying to preserve the legacy of a performer whose influence stretches far beyond one role. The strongest part of the documentary aren't really about comedy itself, though. They are about loss, like many great comedians. Martin Short built humor around pain he rarely discussed publicly. The film spends significant time exploring the death of his parents, his brother, and eventually his wife Nancy, whose passing from cancer clearly remains the defining emotional event of his adult life. Those moments are where the documentary becomes more than simple fan service. Short talks about grief with a level of honesty that catches you off guard because his public persona has always been built around relentless energy and absurd humor. Hearing him describe loss as something you negotiate rather than overcome becomes the emotional core of the film. And that honesty hits harder because the documentary constantly contrasts it with footage of Short making people laugh. The movie is directed by Lawrence Kasdan, which explains why the entire project feels warmer and more thoughtful than the average streaming biography. Kasdan clearly addressed Short, sometimes to the point where the film avoids digging too deeply into anything negative or controversial. But the friendship between them gives the interviewer natural intimacy. Short casually calling the interviewer Larry throughout the film sounds small, but it changes the tone completely. Conversation feels less like formal interviews and more like old friends reflecting on a lifetime together. The documentary also understands the power of nostalgia without drowning in it. Stories about playing Scramble with Chevy Chase during the Three Amigos or memories from SCTV era gives longtime fans exactly what they want. At the same time, the movie smartly balances those anecdotes with larger reflection on aging, family, and artistic legacy. And the list of people showing up to praise Martin Short is honestly ridiculous. Tom Hanks, Steven Spielberg, Steve Martin all appear, and what's striking is how personal their admiration feels. They aren't just talking about Short as a talented comedian, they talk about him as someone who stayed kind in an industry that often destroys people emotionally. One of the documentary's most emotional moments comes when Spielberg reflects on Nancy's death while sitting beside his wife, Kate Capshaw. The scene quietly reinforces how deeply Martin Short's personal tragedy affected the people around him, not just himself. The emotional sincerity is what ultimately makes Marty Life is Short worth watching. Yes, it absolutely leans into crowd pleasing, celebrate the legend storytelling. Yes, it sometimes feels polished enough to avoid harder questions, but the film also captures something rare, a portrait of a comedian whose humanity seems just as memorable as his talent. By the end, the documentary leaves you with the feeling that Martin Short didn't just survive decades in entertainment, he somehow managed to remain deeply loved while doing it. And honestly, that may be more impressive than the comedy career itself. Thank you for watching. Bye.